In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly create a bar graph in Excel. Whether you're working on a school project, a business report, or just exploring ways to visualize your data, understanding how to make a bar graph can be incredibly useful. Today, you'll learn the step-by-step process so you can confidently create a bar graph on your own. First off, let's set the stage for your success by preparing the data you'll use. This step is crucial because the organization of your data will directly influence the clarity of your graph. Start by arranging your worksheet with at least two columns. One column should feature categories. These could be months, product names, or any predefined segments you want to illustrate. The adjacent column should contain the corresponding values, which are the numerical data you want to highlight. Don't forget to include headers for each column, as these will serve as essential labels in your graph, helping anyone who views it understand what they're looking at. Now that your data is ready, the next step is selecting it. To do this, simply highlight the entire data range that you prepared, including the headers. This will ensure your chart is complete with all necessary information. Once your data is selected, you're ready to move on to inserting the chart. Head over to the Insert tab on Excel's ribbon. This tab houses all the tools you'll need for creating different types of charts. Within the Charts group, find and click the Insert column or bar chart icon. Here, you'll be presented with various chart style options. For a typical horizontal bar graph, opt for the clustered bar under the 2D bar section. This style is both intuitive and widely recognized, making it a solid choice for most purposes. With your graph now inserted, it's time to customize it, tailoring it to fit your exact needs and preferences. Click on the default chart title to edit it, and give your graph a meaningful, descriptive title. This title acts as the first introduction your audience will have to your graph's story. Next, take a look at the green plus Chart Elements icon. Clicking here allows you to add elements like axis titles, data labels, and a legend to make your chart more informative. You can further personalize your chart using the Chart Design or Format tabs. These options allow you to change the overall style to match the aesthetic you're aiming for. Right-clicking on the bars themselves lets you dive even deeper, offering the option to format data series. Here, you can adjust the fill colors, making your graph both visually appealing and thematically relevant. If you wish to vary the format for individual bars, simply click once, then click again on the specific bar to access the Format Data Point option. Lastly, consider the spacing of your bars. Right-click a bar, choose Format Data Series, and then adjust the gap width. A smaller gap width results in bars being closer together, which might be preferable depending on your dataset's nature. One great thing about Excel is that any changes you make to your source data will be automatically reflected in the graph, keeping your visualizations up to date effortlessly. That's all there is to it. You now have the knowledge you need to create and customize a professional bar graph in Excel. Thank you for watching, and happy graphing.